Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change a Toyota 4Runner key fob battery. First, gather your tools, a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in. This simple task takes only about 5 minutes, and you'll have your key fob working like new in no time. Let's get started with the first step. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot on the side of the fob, usually near the key ring. Insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twisting motion, carefully pry the two halves of the key fob apart. Be careful not to force it, as the plastic can be delicate. Once open, you'll see the internal components. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side is facing up. Use your flathead screwdriver to gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the slot, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing up. This ensures proper contact. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the fob and press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click. This confirms the case is securely closed. Test your key fob to ensure it's working correctly. Remember to check the description for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.